to the end. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to make a special DIY moisturizer. It's a moisturizer that is going to be rich in vitamins and minerals that are known to transform the skin. Vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. We're using all natural ingredients in this moisturizer. Ingredients that's going to tighten and firm the skin. Ingredients that are also known to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. Not only on your face but also on the neck, the décolleté, and your entire body. This moisturizer is pretty simple but really effective, especially on mature skin. So if you're looking for a DIY moisturizer that you can whip up in your kitchen, then you may need to try this. Now, if you do not use coffee, you can also use green tea to replace the coffee. Now, if you're interested in other moisturizer, you can find some on our website, ALESMAXii.com. We have anti-aging moisturizer, we have skin firming moisturizer, we have retinol, we have collagen, you name it. So just check us out on ALESMAXii.com. Now, with that out of the way, guys, please watch the video to the end. And also, guys, what other ingredient would you use in this remedy? Now, let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. To make this moisturizer, I'm going to be using some coffee, and here I have coffee beans. These are rich in caffeine. Caffeine have to boost circulation. Coffee also have to tighten and firm the skin. The beans I'm going to brew, so what I did, I ground it and then I brew. If you do not have a coffee brewer, you can choose to ground, or you can just boil the beans as is. So here I have some freshly brewed coffee, and this we're going to set aside to cool. Now let's continue with the recipe. My next ingredient is going to be some aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel contains antibacterial properties, but it is known to smooth the skin. It also have to get rid of a suntan. It have to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, but best of all, it also have to clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. So I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. You can also choose to use fresh aloe vera gel for this recipe. Now, once this is done, we're going to move on to our second ingredient, and this is going to be some castor oil. Today, I'm using Jamaican black castor oil, which is an amazing oil for reducing wrinkles and fine lines and boosting collagen and elastin in the skin. It's an oil that you can use all over your body. So we are going to be using about a half a teaspoon of the castor oil, pouring this in the bowl along with the aloe vera gel. And what we're going to do, we are going to mix, and we're going to mix well, totally combining the two ingredients together. Now you can choose to use a whisk, or you can wait to the end and put everything in a blender and blend. Now, once this is done, my next oil is going to be some pomegranate seed oil. If you do not have pomegranate seed, you can use some rosehip seed, you can use some cucumber seed, or you can even choose to use some papaya seed oil in this recipe. So I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of the pomegranate seed oil. We're adding this to the bowl with the aloe vera and castor oil, and we're gonna blend, and we are gonna blend well. We still have another oil to use, and this is the star anise seed oil. This is an essential oil that is known to tighten and firm the skin. You gotta definitely dilute this oil, so we do not need a lot. I'm using about 3 to 4 drops of the star anise oil, placing this in the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Now, once this is done, I'm going to reach for some aloe vera oil. And aloe vera oil, just like the aloe vera gel, have to smooth the skin, moisturize the skin, good to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. It's a good oil for stretch marks, and it's a good oil to use on most skin type. I'm using a teaspoon of the aloe vera oil, pouring this in, and now once this is done, we are gonna mix, and we are gonna mix well, totally blending all the oils and the aloe vera gel together. Now, once this is done, take a look. This is what it looks like. And now we're going to reach back for our coffee. Now we're going to use about a tablespoon of the freshly brewed cooled coffee, and we're going to pour this in the mixture. Now we are going to totally blend this together. You can choose to use a whisk. You can even choose to put this in the blender and blend for a more creamier, a more fluffier facial cream. I'm going to use a whisk, and I'm going to whisk well, as I am showing here. Totally whisk. Now if you want this to be more gel-like consistency, you can choose to add a little bit more aloe vera gel. If you want to be a more creamier consistency, then you just place it in the blender. Now take a look, this is finally done blending, and this is our Coffee Castor Oil facial moisturizer. I'm going to be pouring mine in a small jar. Make sure your jar is fully sterilized, and take a look, guys. This is it. All you need on the skin is 2 to 3 drops daily. You can choose to use this AM or PM right after your facial serum. This is also good for stretch marks, and also if you have very dry skin, you can use it all over your body. Now store this in the refrigerator for up to about 7 days or so. When it is done, you can always go ahead and make a new batch. The perfect anti-aging facial moisturizer. So to use the moisturizer, all you need is about 2 to 3 drops on the skin, and you're going to massage it on the skin. Massage it on your face, massage it on the neck and décolleté. Focus on the areas where you are having issues, such as your forehead, where you might have a lot of forehead wrinkles that you're trying to diminish. Also your laugh lines, and don't forget to take it on your jawline. So you're just going to keep massaging, and once this is done, you are going to just press it in the skin, and take a look, guys. Voila, amazing, fresh, youthful glow to the skin. Don't forget, 2 to 3 drops on the skin daily is what you need. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And don't forget to visit our website, ALESMAXii.com. Browse around and see what we have there to offer you to take care of your skin. And also, guys, now that you make it here, I have 2 more videos here. If you want to see more anti-aging videos, go ahead and watch these 2. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Now we post a video every day, guys, so even if you do not get a notification, come on over and see if we have a video available for you.